Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with the essentials and then take the first practical steps. Inspect tires and suspension, then balance cargo so the sidecar does not pull. Mount on the motorcycle, engage neutral, and warm the engine briefly. That gives predictable steering. Release clutch slowly while applying gentle throttle to roll forward. This teaches how the sidecar resists turn-in. Once moving, practice a few slow straight-line accelerations and stops in an open area so you feel tug, brake bias, and steering feedback before proceeding to. Now you move into handling dynamics and deliberate execution. For left turns, steer smoothly and let the bike lean while easing throttle. The sidecar assists cornering. For right turns, push on the left handlebar and add slight throttle to prevent the sidecar lifting. This counter-steer and power balance keeps stability. When braking, modulate front and rear to reduce yaw. Heavier braking can pull toward the sidecar, so shift weight and reduce speed sooner. Practice S-turns to coordinate steering, throttle, and braking without surprises. Finish by consolidating advanced control and one key fix. On faster roads, keep weight low, use a steering damper if fitted, and verify sidecar alignment to prevent weave. This improves straight-line stability. On rough surfaces, reduce speed, shift slightly toward the sidecar, and scan farther ahead. If you encounter a wobble or tank slapper, do not jam brakes. Instead, steady the throttle, relax grip, and gently apply the rear brake while moving toward a safe stop. Once stopped, recheck tire pressures and mountings before resuming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.